have a few words from the winner of The Apprentice Asia Season 1, Jonathan Yabut from the Philippines.
I hope I won't really take so much of your time, but I would really like to take the time generously because tonight is not a night about myself. I think tonight is a night about the people who contributed of where I am right now. And in the end, you know, months from now, years from now, people will forget about Jonathan Yabut. But I will not want to forget the people who made who I am right now. Because in the end, life is all about that. It's about sharing a part of you to someone and finding that something that you shared to someone grow bigger and better than who you are. And so I would like to thank, first and foremost, the AXN family with Mr. James Dumlao and Ms. Leslie Castañeda. Trust me and the rest of the team, 5 days ago, this entire thing was so impossible to happen. We had to pull strings. And we felt, especially as through Selena, the beautiful lady here who pushed the idea, we cannot afford to do this without a party, without a celebration. So thank you so much. From the very start, AXN family, you've always made us feel like we are a part of your family. And for that, James, thank you so much. If only I could be hired by your team. If I lost, I would have got to your team, James. You know that. You do know that. The two organizations I would like to thank are Globe Telecom and GlaxoSmithKline. Companies very, very dear with my heart. And I would like to thank, first and foremost, my first boss, Ms. Rita Castellano-Duenas. Rita taught me the value of empowerment. She taught me how to swim by letting me swim alone, but she would always be there to lift me up when I get drowned. For that, Rita, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank my other mentor, Ms. Ao Soriano. Ao unleashed the rebel in me. You taught me for the first time how to use a DSLR camera. You taught me the idea of backpacking to Europe, you know, with a credit card swiped all the way out. You brought out, you know, that rebel in me, and for that, thank you so much. Thank you. You taught me the idea of cooking. Thank you so much for that, Ao. I would like to thank the rest of Globe Telecom, Yvette, Hermie, and everyone else for always putting up with me and knowing who the real Nate is and transforming that Jonas to Nate. People from GlaxoSmithKline who are very far, I would like to thank you guys for so much. If only every employee in the world can be nourished by the kind of training that you give to everyone. I would like to thank my boss, Ms. Melissa Veloso. You can never have a boss who will allow you to go out for 2 months, and after that, you know, say that you can always go back if ever you lose. I will always be very, very indebted to Ms. Melissa Veloso for allowing me to join this competition. To Mr. Lito de Guzman, our HR Director, you are the reason why GlaxoSmithKline is the People Company of the Year. And you've always nourished people to become leaders. And all those things I said in the boardroom was because of you and the rest of GlaxoSmithKline. So thank you. Thank you so much. The other thing I'd like to thank this organization is the UP Debate Society, who's here out here. All the boardroom victories are because of this wacky, smart, and driven organization and top-class debaters in the world. And I would like to thank you. The only thing I can give back to you is I can make you proud of who I am right now. So thank you so much for that. I would also like to thank Mr. Josiah Go and Ms. Chiki Go out there, the lovely couple out there, for bringing out the best in me and for opening me to more opportunities. They were the couple who awarded me the 2012 Young Market Masters Award. You've opened me to so much opportunities, and because of that, I hope you inspire more Filipino talent to shine. Because of the Mansmith Award, truly a lot of Filipinos want to become the next apprentice. And for that, thank you again. I'm really sorry for taking this so much on because it's not about me. It's about all these people. I'd like to thank my family, my mama, papa, to Jen, and to my cousin and to my tita right now. You know, this family has been so much ups and downs. And if you read the book, Jonathan Franzen's The Corrections, our family is pretty much like that. And I'm so amazed how this family is able to pull back and bounce back every time. And I'm just proud that we're always able to pull it off. thank you so much for being with me in this journey. To my brother Jed, my mirror, thank you so much. Oh, my brother's here, who flew all the way from Singapore. Thank you so much, Jed. And you knew every hardship I've been through in this competition, and every phone call that I had to make with you in the competition. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you. I would like to thank my best friends, the woman who ironed my clothes the night before I left for Kuala Lumpur. G, thank you so much for always being there, for every skeleton I have in my closet. And for that, thank you so much. Thank you for being there. To CZ, when I found out that I was going to be the apprentice, I was so surprised because I had to buy boardroom outfits. And I said I couldn't afford all those expensive outfits. So this woman went with me to Divisoria and to SM to buy my suits, 5 pieces of them, 3,000 pesos each. This suit, for example, was just bought in SM department store. So CZ, wherever you are, thank you so much for being with me. For a very special person right now who flew all the way from Hong Kong, to Sam, thank you so much wherever you are. I can't see you right now. Thank you very much for giving me a reason to smile every morning, and for inspiring me wherever you are. I hope you're there. For inspiring me, and I hope to continue the journey with you and to every time. Thank you so much. Who else do I need to thank? And lastly, I would like to thank, because when I joined The Apprentice, this was all about wanting the Filipino to stand out. And 2 weeks ago I was in Hong Kong, and if you walk through IFC, every Sunday you would see all the domestic helpers out there making their cardboard boxes. And it just pains me so much how so much talent is wasted only because we're not given the proper platform to do that. And for me, The Apprentice was the reason why I was so motivated to join this, because I was so sick and tired that the Filipino has always been bullied, not knowing that we can stand out in the sales and the marketing world. And that is the reason why I've always wanted to join this competition. And I just so feel great that this is the best platform to do that. And so this victory is for each and every Filipino out there, that you can never be too small to dream big. Because dreams are for free, and they're for all you out there to catch it and seize it while the iron is hot. This victory is for the Philippines and for the rest of Asia, that the power is ours to conquer, and the power is ours to make it happen. So for everyone and to all of you, thank you so much, and have a good night. And I hope you all enjoy the show. And for all the contestants, to D, to Nash, my bro, to Nick, to Andrea, to Sam naman, oh my God, to Selena, and to Selena, before I forget everything else, good thing I looked at you. This woman really helped me win this competition. It was so nice to have her. And the reason why I picked her last was not for any other reason, but it was a strategic reason. And picking her really showed how the Filipino is always there for each other through thick and thin. For bringing that and for making the rest of the Filipino proud. Because whatever victory I had is your victory and our victory for the taking. So thank you so much, and I hope you all inspired, and please spread the news to everyone about it. It's not about me. In the end, I'm just a matter of molecules and brain cells standing in front of you. It could have been anyone. But the question is, what did it bring out to everyone? And that for me is inspiration. Because in the end, inspiration sparks hope, hope sparks action, and action sparks change. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat.